we're taking a look at the letters T and U that when they're placed together make a ch sound, like in choose, choose. Usually this sound is made with the letters CH, but again the letters TU can make this sound. You will press the front of your tongue up against the top of your mouth, right around where your top tooth meets your gum, the alveolar ridge. Also on the sides of your tongue, you should also feel those rise towards the top of your mouth as well. Again, it should sound like ch, ch, like in virtual, virtual. Ritual, ritual. Nature, nature. Punctual, punctual. Fortunate, fortunate. Virtual, virtual. Situation, situation. Adventure, adventure. Statue, statue. That concludes this video on that ch sound with the letters T and U, like in situation. For more information on these and other sounds, be sure to check out our website, fluentamerican.com, and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. We'll see you in our next video. Take care.